Hey everybody, Bill Murphy with Fairway Mortgage. Wanted to announce our Lunch and Learn on April 17th, 11 to 1. Lunch will be courtesy of attorney Jess Albino, who will share her legal perspective. This is our FHA class, and you don't want to miss this. FHA has had so many changes. FHA has been a very popular loan for a lot of folks that need this. 3.5% down, 1 to 4 families. Owner occupied. We're doing a lot of renovation loans. We're going to talk a lot about how the renovation 203K works, full and limited. We're also going to have an FHA appraiser present to answer your questions, your burning questions that you've always wanted to ask an appraiser about what qualifies FHA, what doesn't, what needs to be fixed and rehabbed, and so forth and so on. This class is going to be very timely because FHA's had so many changes. A lot of pre-approved FHA clients coming through now. There's been changes in March that will affect their buying power moving forward. So it's very, very important that you know what these changes are and how that's going to impact your FHA buyers regarding credit score, their debt ratios, and much more that goes into that program. So please attend our Lunch and Learn. You don't want to miss this. We're going to go over so much great information. You're going to have lunch, get 2 CEs, and leave there knowing so much more about your FHA buyers, and if you're a seller, what to expect from that FHA pre-approval. Make sure you register with the link below, see our flyer, and hope to see you there.